What is the truth about Live Good? Boy, what a bold, massively cool headline. Just, ooh, you can see it on the thumbnail of that YouTube video or maybe on that Facebook post. Or is there a scam report out there where people are just doing their best to get down to brass tacks and see why we're at 1.5 to 1.6 million people in less than 2 years have joined? Is it a cult? What's this experience? And who's texting me on my phone right when I always go to make a video? When I don't have a live camera on, no one ever texts me or calls me. But once I hit record, my phone blows up. Okay. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Okay. I just want to discuss a little bit. Live good. Okay. Let me just tell you, in 10 minutes or less, my experience and what I think and what, in my opinion, is probably a pretty darn good opportunity for you to look into. Okay. Now, Live Good said ready, set, go about December 13th of 2023. At midnight, they said we are going to be a great MLM affiliate-based opportunity. But unlike traditional MLMs where you got to buy products and buy this many products each month to qualify for commissions, we're going to take away that. Okay. Live Good is a membership website. So for $9.95, you have access to shop your buns off, whatever is inside livegood.com. And guys, go there and check it out. We have about 40 some odd products. We have packages, shirts and hats. It's very simple to navigate. Just check out the products, the FAQ section, and the comp plan. Okay. And you're done. Now, back to the performance, the figures. We're not even 2 years old yet. And like I said, we're going on about 1.6 million. I think that's what Ben said the other day on a live Zoom. I'll find out tomorrow. But anyway, about 1.6 million have joined. And this is worldwide in over 200 countries. $15 million of products are going out of Jupiter, Florida. We have multiple distribution centers there in Florida because we have so many sales in America. We're up in Canada. We're all over to Australia, Asia, Africa. Guys, 200 countries. They are aboard. And right now we're setting up distribution centers worldwide. That way our products are in those locations, like, let's say, Africa. And when you go ahead and order the products, they're a lot closer to you. So the shipping's cheaper and obviously the delivery time. Okay. This is all be setting up. Okay. Just relax. We're going to have a lot of distribution centers over the next year, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years. Okay. Got to do baby steps. Okay. In my opinion, is it the next Amazon? It really could be. Amazon, if you remember, was just used books, and that's all they focused on. And then Jeff Bezos, that bald-headed little guy, just said, let's just go ahead and see if every product on earth can be sold through Amazon.com. And now I think he's a mission accomplished, okay, as he has those Blue Horizon rockets that look like schlongs going up. And if you guys have seen the Blue Horizon rockets, you know what I mean. Boy, they they definitely look like they're male rockets, if you know what I mean. So are we the next Amazon? I mean, we really could be. We're even ahead of Netflix, Costco, and Amazon as far as members. We average about 16,000 people per week right now. A couple thousand people a day are signing up. And I think the reason is, number one, the products are great. They're wholesale based for $9.95 a month. You can publicly go resell these products on Amazon, online, out of your trunk, at your gym. Other MLMs, they don't allow you to do that. MLM Pay is awesome. Our pay plan, it's a slow burn. But I'll tell you what, if you just put in the time and do some video, do some emails, do some social media, okay? Maybe make some nice affordable business cards like I do. Just go to Vistaprint, $30, get a box. They'll last you a year. Go to GoDaddy. I think they're the best. Joincory.com. Okay, and then just have them forward to the Live Good capture page, because when you join Live Good, you get your own website with customer service, the products. It's done. The capture page is done. Just go to joincory.com and you'll see. People watch a 6-minute video produced by Live Good. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky, talking. And then from there, if after that 6-minute video, you want to put in your name and email address, you can join. Just go to your email, from LiveGood and join. If not, for the next 30 days, LiveGood will email you one nice email message per day about the products, the opportunity. And if you want to opt out, just at the bottom of the email, hit opt out, okay? Real simple. Everybody gets email. Everyone knows how to opt out of a list, okay? So with that, people are not bugged by me calling them. I'm not in their living room. I'm not knocking on doors. All I do is invite people to watch a link that leads to a video. Joincory.com is the link. And when you open up that page, you can, if you're just turned off by LiveGood, you can just delete and go on your way. Go back to eBay or reading the news or playing solitaire or some video game. But I love 2024 technology because I can just make a video like this. I can do tremendous amounts of email for basically nothing. Or I can post on social media, which I'm posting anyway. I might as well post with a purpose where I can get paid. Okay? All this stuff, it's easy for me to kind of talk about right now because I have a 1.5 year head start on you. But if you join my team in LiveGood, I'm going to show you the 6 opportunities that all complement LiveGood. Just like a ray of sunshine and a blankie, milk, and just a crib. And you just want to hug that little baby LiveGood and see he or she grow up to be one big badass like Amazon. Okay? I like to take baby steps, do things that are affordable, and I like all my training and recruiting to be done by short videos. I like doing this one video that you're watching right now because I can put it on my YouTube channel or post it all over my social media sites, and at least it's there, so to speak, for years and years. I don't know if there's going to be a solar flare and electricity's gone one day, but YouTube should be around a good long time. And if my channel's still up and running and there's a video that looks just like this one there, it's going to be just repeating 24 hours a day for years and years and years. And I might get signups live right now. Or maybe if you're watching this video a year in my future, maybe you'll join LiveGood by going to joincory.com. But there is advantages in making video, and I hope you look into it. If not, don't worry. We can do email campaigns, social media. There's so many ways to just invite people to your LiveGood capture page. Okay? I'm a big fan of the ownership, guys. The truth about LiveGood's ownership, I like them. They do tons of live Zooms. They talk about families. They go on trips. They show even Halloween. Dr. Ryan, who invents our products, he was Captain America this morning. Ben, he's always going to his kids' functions or he's hiking and doing stuff. Nodder is always in his backyard doing our great Zoom seminars, recruiting, talking about everything LiveGood is doing to be one of the biggest online opportunities. And Ryan's wife, Lisa, she's in charge of product education. You can always get a hold of her and ask any questions about our products. Lisa at livegood.com. Ryan at livegood.com. Even Ben, our CEO, Ben at livegood.com, and Nodder, Nauder, Nodder at livegood.com. You can write these folks. And these are the owners and the co-founders. Very transparent ownership, which I appreciate. But one of the best things that I enjoy are the products, but that 3-month, 90-day, no questions asked guarantee is mind-blowing. Okay? That is really a cool thing for guys like me that appreciate the products first. It's just a miracle that I'm successful as an affiliate because I've never wanted to do online business in my life like this. My background is radio. I've had truck driving experiences. I've owned Vegas Wheels, a car dealership. Man, I've been around the block forever, but my favorite thing is radio. I've been in radio, in and out over a 37-year period. So I love music and toys and choppers and producing car show events, and I'm active. I'm not looking to retire. If I make really substantial amounts of money the next 5 to 10 years, which I have no doubt that I will, because right now I'm really making good paychecks every 30 days. But guys, I'm not going anywhere. LiveGood is my baby, and the things that I use to help baby LiveGood grow, they're timeless, and they're software, techniques, and tools that you can use to be successful in any business, not just LiveGood. Those are the only things that I do. Things that can complement each other. Peanut butter jelly, Starsky Hutch, yin, yang, dill, dough. You guys get the point, right? Peace and love. Okay, let's just say that the truth about LiveGood, in my opinion, and that's all it is my opinion, is it's worth looking into. If you just want to go to joincory.com Just watch the video, real simple, and you're either in or out. And if you just want to bookmark joincory.com, go back maybe in a month or two. Maybe it's just not right because we're going into the holidays and you're busy. Wait till January. I'm in no rush. I don't beg anyone to do these businesses. I just want you to sit back, relax. If you got $49.95, $50, great, let's talk. If you got $20, $30, let's get you some business cards. You got $11, let's get a domain for you. Let's just do simple, common sense to getting you successful in this. Okay? No radical stuff. You don't need faith. All right? Faith is good, I guess, in certain things, but you don't need it the way I do business. It's just good fundamentals and common sense approach to business. Okay? I'm going to let you go. I appreciate you guys just giving me 11, 12 minutes of your time. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to my Facebook page and just, is it bookmark, I guess? You bookmark Facebook and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my videos regularly. You'll see what I do with all my other opportunities. And plus, if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, go below the video. All 6 of my opportunities and everything and my contact info is right there, okay? So, that's it. You guys have a good day, and I hope you learned something. All right, and there you go, guys. Hopefully you can see it without the reflection of the light. joincory.com. I'm a big fan, guys. I hope you look into Live Good. It's a pretty darn cool thing. All right, we'll talk to you next video.